What's going on, Pyro Nation? I'm going to demo another product tonight. It's called Firestorm by Big. It is 25 shots, 500 grams, and I've shot this one before. Really neat. It's got the palm effect with some other stars added in. It actually is a really nice color. The palm, really nice. That gold and orange color, really cool looking effect. And so it's got a 5-shot finale as well. So we will check this one out tonight. And tell me what you think, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.